Welcome to Florida, the Sunshine State. With its stunning beaches, vibrant cities, and unique natural wonders, Florida offers an array of incredible destinations to explore. Join us as we take you on a journey through the 10 best places to visit in this tropical paradise. Our first stop is Miami, known for its lively atmosphere and cultural diversity. Take a stroll along the iconic South Beach, visit the vibrant neighborhoods of Little Havana and Wynwood, and indulge in delicious cuisine at the city's world-class restaurants. Next, we venture into the enchanting Everglades National Park. Hop on an airboat and glide through the vast wetlands, spotting alligators, tropical birds, and unique plant life. The Everglades is a nature lover's paradise, offering unforgettable experiences. Heading south, we arrive at Key West, a laid-back island city with a rich history. Explore the charming streets lined with colorful Victorian houses, visit Ernest Hemingway's former home, and catch a stunning sunset at Mallory Square. Our journey takes us to the Kennedy Space Center on Florida's Space Coast. Discover the wonders of space exploration, witness actual rocket launches, and get up close to historic spacecraft that have traveled to the moon and beyond. Traveling back in time, we arrive at St. Augustine, the oldest city in the United States. Explore the cobblestone streets of the historic district, visit the Castillo de San Marcos, and learn about the city's Spanish colonial heritage. Continuing our adventure, we embark on a scenic drive through the picturesque Florida Keys. From Key Largo to Key West, this chain of islands offers breathtaking views, coral reefs for snorkeling, and opportunities for fishing and boating. No visit to Florida is complete without experiencing the magic of Walt Disney World Resort. Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Disney, explore multiple theme parks, and create unforgettable memories with your loved ones. Heading to the Gulf Coast, we discover the cultural haven of Sarasota. With its pristine beaches, vibrant art scene, and world-class museums like the Ringling, Sarasota offers a perfect blend of relaxation and cultural exploration. Our next destination is the remote and stunning Dry Tortugas National Park. Accessible only by seaplane or boat, this hidden gem features crystal-clear waters, pristine beaches, and the historic Fort Jefferson, a captivating piece of American history. Last but not least, we visit the thrilling Universal Orlando Resort. Experience the magic of the wizarding world of Harry Potter, embark on epic adventures with your favorite movie characters, and enjoy thrilling rides that will leave you breathless. From the vibrant cities to the breathtaking natural wonders, Florida has something for everyone. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore the 10 best places this diverse state has to offer. Florida is waiting for you.